Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Typeform branding elements for USA lead gen forms step by step clearly. Log in to your Typeform account. From the dashboard, click on the Create Typeform button. Select a template or choose to create a new form from scratch. Once you're in the form editor, navigate to the Design tab. In the Design section, you will see branding options for your form. Start by uploading your company logo. Click on the logo area to upload the desired image file. Ensure the logo is clear and appropriately sized for maximum visibility. Next, choose your form's color palette. Click on the Colors option to select primary and secondary colors. You can either select from the preset colors or enter custom hex codes. Now, let's set the font styles for your form. Go to the Fonts section in the Design tab. Choose from the available font options that align with your branding. Setting the correct typography enhances readability. After fonts, focus on adding a background image or color. Click on the background option to either upload an image or select a color. Make sure the background complements the other design elements. Once you have the visual elements in place, review the layout. Check how each component appears on both desktop and mobile views. Make adjustments as needed to ensure consistency across devices. Finally, save your changes by clicking the Save button at the top right. Preview your form to ensure that all branding elements are displayed correctly. Once satisfied, proceed to publish your Typeform. Your branded lead generation form is now ready for use in the USA. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.